Okay, here's the Taranis X7S and it says model 2, and let's see how to delete that model. To access the menu, first short press the middle button. Okay, we are here on the first page and we have model 1 and model 2. I want to delete model 2. Okay, if I simply press and hold the middle button, then I don't have any delete here. So to fix that problem, to get that delete, because the other one has, this one has a delete, okay, we have to first select the other one because the star is here at the model 2. So hold it down on the first one and select model. Okay, now that one is selected. Now the second one can be deleted. Hold it down and go to delete model, enter, and it's gone. Model 1.